it's lighter, bro.
It's lighter. You like it?
Dude, I love it. It looks even better than it was before.
I know, it looks way better.
And you got the old rims on.
Yeah.
Dude, it's like 2018 FindingNick all over again.
Oh my god, dude. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching another video. As you guys can see, today is this huge car cruise, car meet going on, and it's also the wrap reveal. So this is actually the first day I'm taking it out and showing it to people. You guys saw a couple people's reactions already, but it's a very stressful day. Like I said, it's the wrap reveal, so I had to post a YouTube video. I had to post the merch drop. By the way, if you guys have not seen that, go watch the last video, and if you guys haven't seen the new merch drop, it's available right now. It's the first link in the description. It's very limited, so go grab them right now. But yeah, we brought the E92 out. Finally, an E92 video. And like I said, today is the first day I brought this out with the new colors, so everyone's seen it for the first time, like right now. It looks super clean. I got it all detailed yesterday. It looks so good, bro. Manny wanted me to do that color. He also wrapped this car. Manny's car's right there, but he wrapped all of these cars all by himself. That's pretty crazy. So again, shout out to Sick Wraps. He killed all of these. This is Manny's car. You guys remember this? Yeah. Single turbo. A little slow, you know. He's all gutted. Yeah, Manny's car's clean. We're actually going to San Diego today, so it's a pretty long cruise. It should be pretty fun though, because there's a lot of freaking BMWs. All BMWs. So for those of you that are tired of the GTR content, here you go, some BMW content. Look at this, guys.
Jeez. Damn, boy. Working headlights though?
Manny, can you wrap this?
Yeah, I'm down.
Bro, let's wrap it the same color as my car.
Oh,
so
dude,
sick.
let's do it, bro. I'm fucking down.
That would actually work.
Imagine.
Would it really?
Yeah.
Bro.
You could wrap that? Manny can wrap anything.
I swear you can wrap this.
Bro, let's do
That'd be
it. I'm
crazy.
down.
E46 on a trailer. This is what I want to do. I want to get a badass truck and just tow the E46 around. Take it to car meets like this. Damn, this dude literally has like pretty much the same setup I do. That's sick, dude. This is what I need, guys. This little dash right here. That's my next investment. But it looks sick. That's just clean, bro. I like the yellow. And it's a full drift car. I've seen it drift before too. I'm about to cruise out in probably like 5 minutes, but I want to show you guys some of the cars. Look at this, dude. Holy shit. Where you at, Hamza? Liberty Walk. That's nice, dude. One day I want to wrap my car that color. I do like yellow. Wow, this is sick too. This E46 is insane. There's a lot of E46s. Pandem kit. Look at the wrap, bro. That is the craziest freaking white wrap I've ever seen. I don't even think it picks up on camera. That's sick. That looks so good, bro. That one's clean. I like the color. Oh my god, dude. E30 M3. It's probably like the most expensive car here. That shit is clean, dude. I love when people take care of them, like make it this mint. E30 M3. Wow, bro, that shit is hard. This might be one of my favorite cars here. I love that car. I love the color, the headlights, like everything about that's perfect. Another E30, a bunch of little E30s.
It's orange.
It's not orange. What's up, Kevin? Jason? Damn, look at Jason's fit. Holy shit, it looks like Tiffany. It's different though, you can tell.
No, it looks different.
It's way like bright. Look, I don't even have exhaust tips on, bro.
Oh shit.
I haven't put them on yet. What?
This looks
Better on. It's way better, bro.
more shinier and
It's like metallic.
Like a
pearl.
Like
Yeah.
a pearl, that's for sure. It looks like a different color. Tiffany was just solid, but this has like a pearl.
And I changed the wheels up a little. They're already dirty, but there's like a metallic black. Looks good, huh?
Yeah, I see what he did. It's cool. it's cool. It's cute.
Oh my god, it's a little different though.
It's better. I like this better.
It's way better, huh? Look at this E92.
Bro, that's
I've seen this one a lot of times at car meets. So clean. Look at this, guys. It's actually Xavier Wolf's car, E46, Pandem kit, wide body. That shit's hard. See, look, Xavier Wolf. I just saw him too. I don't know where he went, but that's pretty tight that he showed up. This thing doesn't sound stock. Definitely not stock. Look at this though. That's what I need, guys. This truck pulling the E46. How hard would that be? Jason's E92. He brought the E92 out today. Wow, bro, that is the cleanest E46 ever right there. That's literally exactly what I would do if I had like a street car E46. ABS wheels, red. That's clean. We got Laguna Seca blue. I love that color. I wish they made a wrap material in that color and I would do it on my car. but they don't. I have to pay extra for paint. TEs, E92. Woo! This is fire. This is super nice. And a pink M2. Breast cancer awareness. That's tight. That's sick, dude. We got Kevin's pumpkin over here. Dang. That makes me miss mine. Red E36 M3. And it's Howrah red too. Same color and everything. Oh. Alright guys, we're out. Look, it's like old times, bro. All the E92s are out. And it's Tiffany and orange. It looks like an old school vlog. Dude, the intake sound insane with the oh, there's so many cars, dude. It's gonna be crazy. Damn. Bro, that's the homie's M4. I didn't know he got an M4. Bro, the M4 is beautiful. Look at all the carbon fiber. Straight 85. I wish I brought the GTR, bro. I got the slow car. That's the big baller right there. The M8. That cruise was super fun. I tried to film as much as I could, but it's very hard to film on cruises like that where everyone's just driving crazy. Alright guys, we made it. This place is freaking packed. There are so many cars in every single one of these parking lots. It's like a little car meet. Oh my god, is that the E46 from Need for Speed? That's literally the identical car from Need for Speed. That's crazy. Oh my god. This gets me so sad. I wish I brought mine. Whoa. Outlet swap too. Yeah, look at this, guys. A Tiffany E46. I think that's like my old color, but you guys see how the new color is like way better? The new color has like metallic in it. It's just like plain Tiffany blue. Wow, this is beautiful, dude. That might be the sickest E30 I've ever seen. Holy shit. So clean. Look, it's on the floor, like literally. He got lips on top of lips. I'm not even that big of an E30 fan, but like, this is really freaking clean. I missed the red already. This thing got a supercharger. Damn, bro. This trunk is pretty badass. The homie Antro actually gave me this trunk. I have it just sitting at the shop. And I'm wondering if I should put it on. Have Manny wrap it teal and then put it on. Oh my god, bro, it looks crazy in here. Look at this. You got the Huracan. Oh, I want one so bad. Bro, this shop looks crazy. R33 over here. E46, that's hard. Bro, there's so many sick cars. I'm not like the biggest fan of these cars, but this one's like super wide. Crazy wide body kit, crazy wrap. I like the wheels too. That's my favorite E92. It's so nice, bro. It's just so clean and simple. TEs, a roll cage, sparkle seats.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.